Looking younger isn't about hiding your age, it's about embracing it with confidence, while taking smart steps to keep your skin, body, and lifestyle in sync with health, vibrancy, and energy. Today, we're diving into 14 practical, science-backed tips that can help you maintain a youthful glow. 1. Protect your skin from the sun every day. If there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this: never underestimate the sun. Daily sun protection is the #1 way to prevent premature aging. Ultraviolet rays from the sun are powerful, and over time, they break down collagen and elastin in your skin. Those are the two proteins that keep your skin firm, tight, and youthful. The easiest way to fight back? Apply a facial sunscreen or a daily moisturizer with SPF, even on cloudy days or when you're staying indoors. Windows don't block UV rays. Make it a habit like brushing your teeth. It takes seconds, but the long-term payoff is huge. 2. Polarized sunglasses. Think sunglasses are just an accessory? Think again. The skin around your eyes is some of the thinnest and most delicate on your body, making it a prime target for sun damage. When you squint into the sunlight, you also create fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes, commonly known as crow's feet. Wearing polarized sunglasses protects this delicate area and helps prevent squint-induced lines. Plus, they reduce glare, improve visibility, and yes, they look great. 3. Tinted moisturizers with gradual tanning. Everyone loves a healthy glow, but sunbathing is a fast track to aging. Instead, opt for a tinted moisturizer with a gradual tanning effect. Not only it gives you a sun-kissed look without the UV damage, but many of these moisturizers also contain firming ingredients like coenzyme Q10 to help improve skin elasticity. It's not makeup. It's skincare with benefits. And it works wonders on dull, tired skin. 4. Don't forget your hands. Hands can often give away your age faster than your face. Think about it. They're constantly exposed to the elements, washed frequently, and often neglected in skincare routines. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, dryness, and even sunspots. Use a hand cream with SPF and anti-aging ingredients. Massage it in after every wash and before heading outdoors. Consistency is key, and your hands will thank you. 5. Treat dark spots proactively. Dark spots or hyperpigmentation are common as we age, especially if we've had a lot of sun exposure in our younger years. These spots appear due to an uneven production of melanin, and once they're there, they're tricky to get rid of. Serums containing ingredients like Luminous 630 can reduce the appearance of these spots over time, evening out your complexion and restoring a more radiant skin tone. 6. Master the cleansing ritual. A clean face is the foundation of good skin. And no, we're not talking about harsh scrubbing or soap. Use a gentle cleanser suited to your skin type, and cleanse your face twice a day. Once in the morning to remove sweat and oils from the night, and once before bed to clear away makeup, dirt, and pollution. Clean skin absorbs treatments better, making every serum and moisturizer more effective. Think of it as prepping the canvas before you paint. 7. Boost collagen while you sleep. Nighttime is when your skin does most of its repairing. Take advantage of that natural cycle by using a night cream designed to support collagen production. Look for formulas that contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid, retinol, or peptides. These ingredients help strengthen the skin's structure, reduce fine lines, and enhance elasticity. Your skin will quite literally regenerate while you rest. 8. Weekly face masks for targeted care. Face masks aren't just for spa days or Instagram stories. Weekly masking can address specific concerns like dullness, dehydration, or sagging. Use hydrating masks with hyaluronic acid or brightening masks with vitamin C to give your skin that extra boost it needs. It's 10 to 15 minutes of your week that delivers long-term results. 9. Eat for your skin. You are what you eat, and your skin is no exception. A diet rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and hydration will reflect directly on your face. Think leafy greens, berries, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. Limit sugar and processed foods, they increase inflammation, which speeds up aging. Eat whole, colorful foods, and drink plenty of water. Your skin cells thrive when they're nourished from within. 10. Makeup that enhances, not ages. As we age, less is more when it comes to makeup. Ditch heavy foundations and go for lighter formulas with a dewy finish. Choose warm-toned blush to bring life to your cheeks, and opt for soft eyeliners that define without harsh lines. Nude or light pink lipsticks tend to make lips look fuller and fresher. Remember, makeup should enhance your features, not mask them. 11. Hyaluronic acid, the moisture magnet. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance in your body, but it declines with age. Replenishing it through serums or moisturizers can drastically improve your skin's hydration, plumpness, and smoothness. It draws water into the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and making your skin feel supple and refreshed. A must-have ingredient in any anti-aging routine. 12. Load up on antioxidants. Antioxidants are your skin's defense against free radicals, those unstable molecules that break down skin cells and accelerate aging. Vitamins A, C, and E are among the best-known antioxidants. Incorporate them into both your skincare and your diet. Topical vitamin C serums brighten and firm skin, while eating antioxidant-rich foods helps from the inside out. 13. Exercise, the underrated anti-aging tool. Exercise doesn't just tone your muscles, it boosts circulation, improves skin tone, and helps flush out toxins through sweat. It also reduces stress, which is a major contributor to skin issues like acne, dullness, and wrinkles. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement most days of the week. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a dance session, your skin will glow. 14. Show your feet some love. Finally, don't forget your feet. As we age, the skin here can become dry, cracked, and calloused. Moisturize your feet regularly, exfoliate weekly, and give yourself a pedicure once in a while. Youthfulness isn't just about the face. It's about feeling confident from head to toe. Looking younger doesn't require a miracle serum or an overnight transformation. It's a lifestyle, a series of small, consistent choices that add up over time. So take care of your skin, nourish your body, protect yourself from the sun, and give your mind and soul some love too. Because confidence, health, and happiness? That's the real secret to looking younger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a reminder that age is just a number, and you're only getting better.